Hello, in this video we show how to use set comprehensions in Python. So we will go to Python IDE, and you can also check this file if you want to try yourself. Can go to this website and click the menu for downloading. You can find the Python's link. So we go to Python, and this file, what we will take a look at. So we find set comprehensions. So what is the comprehensions? Because we have seen in previous videos for list comprehensions, dictionary comprehensions. So comprehensions means you make a job and just use one sentence. And in this one sentence, there are three parts. The first is the expression, and the second is the for loop, and the third is condition. So usually if no condition is also okay. So with the expression and with the for loop. So without a condition, it's also okay. But sometimes the condition will be additional. So for the list comprehension, here is a bracket. And for the dictionary comprehension is brace here. Then inside the expression is a key value pair. But if we use brace here and no key value pair, so the result is like a set. So it is set object. So this is called set comprehension. So for example, here we use a brace and expression is number, and the for loop is for number in range 1 to 6. And the condition is if the number divided by 3, the remainder is 1. So we will see how it is going. So the result is 1 and 4. This is like a set. And no matter how many duplicates items in this list, this range will return list, right? So how many duplicates in the list, but no care, the result is a set. Only unique object in the result. And we also see second example, for example, number and for number in this list, because we just write an arbitrary elements with the duplicates items in this list. And the condition is if the number divided by 3 get a remainder 2. So we will run this. So the result is a set 2, 5, 8, 14, 7. Although several items occur multiple times in this original list. So the result is a set, unique object. Thanks for watching.